Dewalt 36-volt battery circular saw. So older technology. We just grabbed it for $15 and seems to be in very good shape. That didn't come with a blade nor a charger, so we're going to have to source a charger. So as soon as I get a charger, we'll come and do a full review. As you can see, it works. Quick release blade on there, and very nice saw. So as soon as we get a charger, we'll do a full review. And guys, my end goal is, I've been doing this for a while. I've been buying tools and selling them back to make a profit. So that's what I do. So I just figured, why not make some videos about it.